Want your steps, workouts, and sleep data synced automatically? Here's how to quickly connect your Amazfit watch to the Zepp app. Step 1. Download and install the Zepp app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your account or create a new one if you're using it for the first time. Step 2. Turn on your Amazfit smartwatch by pressing and holding the power button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone so the watch can be detected during setup. Step 3. Open the Zepp app and go to the Profile section. Tap Add Device to begin connecting your Amazfit watch. Step 4. Select Watch from the list of device types, then choose your specific Amazfit watch model. The app will start searching for nearby devices. Step 5. When your watch appears on the screen, tap it to start pairing. A pairing code may appear on both your phone and watch. Step 6. Confirm the pairing request on both devices. This will securely connect the Amazfit watch with the Zepp app. Step 7. Allow the requested permissions such as activity tracking, notifications, and Bluetooth access so the watch can sync your health and fitness data. Step 8. Wait for the initial data synchronization to complete. After that, your steps, workouts, heart rate, and sleep data will automatically sync with the Zepp app. For more quick tech tutorials and easy step-by-step guides, follow the channel and save this video so you can come back anytime you need help.